Hi, I'm back again. Part 3 of our documentary of Strawberry Farm.
Ayan.
Strawberry farm.
No, this is lettuce.
Ayun, strawberry.
You, what can you say?
This is a plant.
Strawberry.
Come on, let's go there.
Ginawa namin ng sariling patubig
Yeah.
yan
Don't-
para maging maganda
Don't talk
pagpapatuloy.
Tagalog because we're doing documentary.
Sorry.
We're gonna post this in Newporn. We're gonna post this in Newporn. Don't talk in Tagalog. Gonna post this.
Ito ay pinarabaho namin.
Gonna post this in Newporn. Gonna take pictures. What?
What the fuck?
What the pug? My God. Come on, look at him. He's making bungkal to the lupa, soil. Yeah. Come on.
Saan yung mga strawberry? Oo nga, ayun.
Where's the strawberry? Come on. Come on, let's go back. Smells like shit. Hello po ate, hihiber. Hello po. Hello. Joy, help them. Joy, help them. Maka-chancing ka na naman ha. Hanggang bakit maka-chancing ka pa. Hello po ate, hihiber. Hihiber. Wala akong manners eh, kaya daw nag-excuse. Nye. Not them. It's not that face. Not that face. Man. Kenneth, if you're watching this, you suck. Come on. We're back in the lettuce.
Hey, what the fuck?
Pag. I'm making documentary for Kenneth part 3. This is video.
Video yan? This is video.
This is video.
This is video.
The video.
Walang gagalaw.
Wait lang pare.
Video nga eh.
Wala, baka nawawala na naman.
Video. Hindi lang lalabas lang sa mula.
Video. Okay na. Video. Load. Kenneth, load that shit. Kenneth, load that shit. Look. He looks like something that you could... Hi. Hey, that girl. Come on. Come here, girl. I'm making documentary. This is not picture. I mean, wait.
Magdahan-dahan ka, iho.
Uy. Come on.
So hard.
Sapa daw.
Ito.
Sunny,
Come on.
you're so harang.
We're making video. Yay. Sana. There.
Mamulit ka ng ano, tapos sasabihin mo kay Kent yung ano yun. This is originated in Baguio.
Yeah.
This is formal.
Kenneth,
Agrikultura natin ay dapat pala kasi.
look at this.
Pwede naman mag-interview.
Oo nga.
Tara, interview tayo.
Sa interview.
Nakapag-interview na kaya kami rin kay ano, Ari.
Sila ka mag-interview. Man, we're making interview.
Ano po yung ginagawa nyo?
That's good. Is that 20 pesos? It's not 20 pesos. My God. Guys, you're so snobbish. They're like.
Tapos wait lang may nag-test.
What the?
iPhone eh.
Come on.
Walang Bluetooth dito masatas. Wait, ng conference. Sa mga waiting shade nila. Oo, so waiting shade.
Let's go there. Hello po, ate. Heber. Nasaan si ate? Ate, Heber.
Paano pwede kumuha?
Ay no, doon kay ate, magtanong sa kay ate.
Ay, kay ate mukhang ano eh. Hindi naman sa plata si ate.
Layo nyo naman kayo.
I'm tired.
Dapat magdikit kayo.
I'm tired.
Tara na, kaya na tayo?
There's tanong. Oh, I'm sorry kuya. Heber.
Wala pwede manguha dito. Wala, pag pinanakan man.
Palagi sa ulo.
Pinaksapan.
Magagawa namin, di ba?
What the shock?
Ito, kung ano mo yung mga, ano,
What the hell?
buba lang.